Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Mystic Magic. So today I am doing simple and easy bold Valentine Day look. So before I start my video, I request you to all please subscribe my channel and please don't forget to hit the bell icon next to it so that you will always get notified when I upload any video and never miss it. So if you want to see how I create this look, so keep on watching. So first of all I am using Lakme Peach Milk Soft Cream Moisturizer and apply it all over my face. And next I am using Patanjali Saundara Aloe Vera Gel and I use it as a primer. Now I am using Blue Heaven foundation in shade cream beige and apply it over my face and blend it with my beauty blender everything nicely. Now I am using Hang Feng Pro Concealer and apply it underneath my eyes, forehead, bridge of the nose, cupid bow, chin and around my mouth and hollow of my cheek. So it look highlighted. And with the help of mini sponge, blend it all nicely. Now I am taking same concealer as a eye primer to pop out the color. Now I am taking this ADS eyeshadow palette and using this light orange color as a transition shade all over my eyelid. Now I am taking light brown shade and apply it over my crease. Now I am taking dark brown shade and apply it in my outer V. Now I am using black shade also over my outer V so that it look more darker. Now I am using clean blending brush and blend all the shades nicely. Blend, blend, blend. Blending is the key to achieve any eye look. Now I am taking Miss Clear Rose Gold shade 20 and apply it over my inner eyelid. And blend it with blending brush nicely. Again I will take black shade to highlight my outer V. Now again I will blend all the shade nicely so that there is no harsh line. Now I use Avon Natural Cherry Lip Balm to moisturize my lips. I'm using wet wipes to clean any fallout. Now I am using MN Dynamic Liquid Sketch Eyeliner to create a wing eyeliner look. Now I am taking Lotus Color Kick Kajal and apply it over my lower and upper eyelid. And smudge it with a brush. Now I am taking smudging brush and apply same brown shade in my lower eyelid. And same rose gold shade and smudge it. Now I am using Oriflame Compact and apply it all over my face to set my concealer and foundation. Now I am using Miss Clear eyebrow pencil in dark brown shade and sketch my eyebrow and fill it. And with the help of Poulet, I blend the color. Now I am taking same brown eyeshadow to fill my eyebrow. Now I am taking same concealer and apply it over my eyebrow to give a clean arch eyebrow look. And blend it with a blending brush. Now I am using Shivana Color Bronze Professional Contour Powder to contour my face and apply it in my hollow of cheek, jawline, forehead, and pinch the brush and apply it over my nose to contour my nose. Now from same Sivana color bronze professional kit, I took highlighter shade to highlight my cheekbone. Bridge of the nose, tip of the nose, cupid bow, chin, below my eyebrow and little bit over my forehead. Now I will take same highlighter shade to highlight my inner corner of the eye. Now I am taking Maybelline Color Show blush and apply it over my apple of the cheek. Now I am taking Dupe Huda Beauty lipstick in shade Trendsetter and apply it in my lips. It's a very dark maroon color which suits all skin types. Now I am taking ADS double mascara and first I will apply transparent mascara and then apply black mascara. And now I am taking Bonjour false eyelashes and put my lashes on with the help of tweezer. Now I am taking ADS makeup setting spray and apply it over my face and let it dry and press it with a blender. So this is my finished look for a Valentine Day. So hope you like my this Valentine look. If you like my video, please like, subscribe, share and comment. And if you have any question regarding this look, please comment below. I will sure answer your comment. So thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.